Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by signing into the Google account that enforces safe search, because changes apply to the signed-in profile. Once signed in, open Google search settings from the search results page. Make sure you're using a current browser so settings load correctly. If the device uses family or school management, confirm you have admin rights or the Guardian code. Now, click Settings, then Search Settings to reveal the Safe Search filter option. This is the first actionable step toward removing the filter. Now you'll remove the filter. Locate the Filter Explicit Results Safe Search checkbox on Search Settings and uncheck it. This directly toggles the filter. Once unchecked, scroll down and click Save so Google applies the change to searches for this account. If the option is grayed out, make sure Family Link or organizational controls aren't enforcing it. Open your Google account settings, go to People and Sharing or Family, and adjust parental controls there. After that, refresh the search page to confirm the change. To finalize, clear your browser cache and cookies, then restart the browser so saved settings take effect. This prevents stale preferences from showing. If Safe Search still appears, verify other accounts on the laptop, any device-level parental software, or router DNS filters that can enforce blocking. Once done, sign out and sign back in to confirm changes. If problems persist, contact the account administrator or Family Link manager. The key troubleshooting tip is check managed account or network-level controls first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.